In this video, I'm going to show you what happens when you use toothpaste to clean your grout. If your grout lines are black, it's because they're dirty. This doesn't mean you're a dirty person, or even that you are to blame. It means that the grout lines were dirty when you moved in. That's all. Grout lines are supposed to be white or light gray in color, but that information won't help you get them clean. This will. Grab an old toothbrush and a tube of toothpaste. Apply some of the toothpaste to the toothbrush and start cleaning your grout by brushing the grout lines, applying a medium amount of pressure. As I speed up the footage, watch the color of the grout transform from black to white. After you have finished cleaning your grout, grab a damp cloth and wipe off any toothpaste remains. Add some dish soap to the cloth if you have any trouble with the cleanup process. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and check out this video entitled 9 Reasons Your Bathroom Stinks and How to Fix It.